Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be going over what an augmented assignment operator is in Python. It's quite simple, so I'll just kind of make this quick video. What you'll do is you'll start off with a variable. For example, we'll just go with a random number, and we'll assign the variable a value of 5. And then what will come next is we can do random number equals random number plus 3. Now, what this will do is we're going to take the first variable, even though it's the same one. What's happening is we're storing the value of 5 in memory right here, and then we're also adding 3 to it. So essentially what's happening is random number is now 5 plus 3, which will equal 8. So if we run this, whoops, I got to print random number. We'll go ahead and print this, and then we will get 8. So now moving kind of on to like what the augmented assignment operator does. So rather than writing this prolonged code, what you can do is you can get rid of this variable, this portion of it at least, and then you can just do plus equal 3. And this will do the same thing as what we just did. So again, you're getting 8. Now this portion right here, this is what we're referring to when we say the augmented assignment operator. Just remember that plus equal will give you whatever the value is. So for example, if we say a minus equal, what we're going to get is 2. Likewise, it also works for multiplication sign, the asterisk. And if we run it again, we're going to get 15. And then we could go ahead and even use division as well. We'll go ahead and go with this. So just if you happen to see this at like a plus equal sign in, I don't know, I guess in any random just piece of code that you find online, just remember that what it's doing is it is adding or subtracting or multiplying whatever this value is to the previous value that was already assigned to the variable. So hopefully we're able to learn a little bit about what the augmented assignment operator is and how it works in Python. If you like, please feel free to check out some of my other videos where I'll go more into detail on what the basics of Python programming are. So yeah, so thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.